friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am back with traditional peda recipe. This recipe explains the basic method of making peda out of milk. I have already shared quicker version of peda recipe on my channel by using ricotta cheese and milk powder. But guys, trust me, nothing beats the taste of making peda out of continuously stirring the milk. If you like this video, then please share your comments and suggestion below and let's get started. Into a large kadai, add half a gallon of whole milk. Keep in mind to use a heavy bottom or a non-stick pan else the milk might burn or stick to it. Stir continuously to prevent milk from sticking to the bottom and burning, and get the milk to a boil. Our milk has started boiling now, so now keep eye on it as it gets easily stick on the bottom in case if you stop stirring. Do scrape the sides because we need the cream of the milk. At this point you can see that our milk has reduced considerably. Now if you want brown colored pedas, you can add sugar right now. It's because when the sugar cooks with milk, it caramelizes and gives a brown color. However, I'm not making brown pedas today, so I will add sugar later. Let the milk reduce little bit more. After cooking for about 30 minutes, I'm going to squeeze half a lemon into the milk. I want grainy texture in my peda, so that's the reason I'm squeezing half a lemon here. But if you want a creamy texture for your pedas, then you can skip this step. After adding lemon juice to hot milk, it will curdle almost immediately. After cooking for about 45 minutes, I'm adding sugar. Keep on stirring continuously while scraping the sides. You can see the milk has reduced by a lot. Once the milk has reduced completely, turn the flame to low to avoid it from sticking to the pan. Now cook it further on low flame while stirring constantly and scraping the sides and the bottom. Do make these yummy pedas and share on Instagram using the hashtag NidhiCooksOfficial. Do follow me as well for food updates and tips and tricks. Now at this stage I'm going to add cardamom powder to the milk mixture. You can see that the khoya for the peda is thick and ready. This is what we are looking for. As I am making kesar pedas, I would like to add some saffron powder to the mixture. This is totally optional. If you don't like kesar flavor in your pedas, then you can skip this. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ghee. This will give nice texture to our pedas. You can see that our pedas has got a nice grainy texture. And lastly, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of glucose to the peda mixture. Now the reason behind adding glucose is that it gives that sticky texture to the pedas which we usually find in the store-bought pedas. But this is also optional. If you don't want to add, you can just skip this step. You can see that our peda mixture is now ready. So turn off the stove and let it cool down completely. Our mixture is now ready to make pedas. I have here this mold to shape up the pedas. Guys, this is just my son's Play-Doh shaper which I use to make pedas. You can use cap of any bottle or simply just make a ball and give finger impression of it. Now fill the mold with good amount of mixture. Press it tightly from both the sides and just give gentle push from the one side and your pedas will come out perfectly. And similar way make all the pedas. Now, if you don't want to make pedas, then you can store this mixture into airtight container and place it in refrigerator for a couple of months and make delicious Indian sweets out of it. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so you never miss another update. And don't forget to share this recipe with your families and friends. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon with the next recipe.